to health care in this country, let him who has ears hear. If on 6B, the private wing in Mulago Hospital, the government of Uganda can fail to provide you with a shot of insulin, and on the same 6B, you can fail to find an NG tube. You know an NG tube? These tubes they use to feed people. At the end of his life, Mr. Kakoza failed to eat. But you can come to a day where they tell you, oh, we are going to put an NG tube. Someone comes in the morning and says, oh, we'll put an NG tube. It disappears. The next person comes on duty and says, oh, we are going to put an NG tube, and it disappears. Then finally in the evening, someone comes and says, you know what? We don't have. So I want to say that, yes, we have that hospital there, but I think it's just a monument. Something has got to give. You cannot take a CBC and it takes 24 hours for you to get a result, and you are in 6B.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.